Hi, I'm Dr Sonette du Preez and from the Faculty of Health Sciences, and I'm a senior lecturer in Occupational Hygiene. My research focus is on the occupational exposure of the additive manufacturing operators. Additive manufacturing is also better known as 3D printing, and as the name additive manufacturing implies, it is adding materials layer by layer to form a final object. As occupational hygienists, we are focused to improve worker health conditions by assessing risks and health in the workplace and to improve these conditions. Now, additive manufacturing has been around since the 1980s, but it's only in recent years that the exposure of the operator has really come into focus and that there's research thereon. And with this evolving technology, with new machines, new feedstock powders, new innovations, it is really a challenge for the occupational hygienist to continue to ensure that there are appropriate health and safety measures in place for the workers in the additive manufacturing environment. So my research is important because we take the whole process into consideration and we start from the beginning up until the end. We look at the raw feedstock materials that are used, the pre-processing, the processing, and the post-processing of the whole additive manufacturing process, and we try to identify each possible hazard that there might be and possible exposure that there might be for the operator, and then we really try to create operator awareness to implement appropriate controls, and we also assist industrial AM facilities in implementing the appropriate controls.